activities for the national and local election now that we are starting our election period?
Yes po, ang most important na calendar of activities po natin is February 11 po, nag-start na po yung campaign period ng national, yung senator and party list po. So by March 28 po, magsa-start na yung campaign period ng ating local candidates, congressman, governor, mayor, and SB.
Yes, sir.
And by that time, sa March 28 po, may banning na rin tayo for ang releasing of funds, promotion, transfer, and construction of public works.
Yes.
And by eve of the election, May 11, liquor ban po tayo, and up until the election day po.
Okay, Miss. Go ahead with your question, Miss.
So sa ano, sir, bawal yung mga construction, pero yung naka-start ng construction, sir, continuous pa ba yun or stop talaga?
Isa po yun sa exempted po. Once na constructed, naka-start na po, may releasing ng budget, wala na yung banning po. Ang binaban lang po is magsta-start pa lang po.
Okay po, sir.
Sir, you mentioned na local candidates campaign period. Ilang days po ito, sir? From March 28 up to?
May
11 po.
March 28
May 10. Pero to be exact po, May 10.
May 10.
of 12 midnight, sir, no?
Opo. So actually by at least 45 days po yan na campaign period yung local natin po.
Yes. Opo, sir. And then, sir, we would like to clarify. We have started na, sir, yung